Hi everyone, this is Anne and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ikaw Skusha. This is my first voiceover video as requested and I hope you will like it. By the way, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and don't forget that bell icon to get updates whenever I upload a new video. And today, I will be showing you how to cook Pad Thai. Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish commonly served as a street food in Thailand. It is also one of the most popular menu in Thai restaurants. It has a sweet, savory, sour taste made with flat rice noodles, prawns, chicken, tofu, mung bean sprouts, garlic chives, and crushed peanuts served with a lime. It's been years since I had this dish, so I am making myself a plate for two, since I still have rice noodles left when I made the Penang Char Kway Teow. So just like Penang, this is just very easy and quick to cook once you have prepared all the ingredients. So let's start with the ingredients. 150 grams dried flat rice noodles, 250 grams chicken breast or Thai fillet, thinly sliced. If you want to go for the authentic Pad Thai, use prawns or shrimp. 1 to 2 squares firm tofu, about 150 grams. 3 to 4 tablespoons peanut or vegetable oil. 4 cloves garlic, chopped. 1/2 onion, sliced. 2 eggs slightly beaten. 1 1/2 cup bean sprouts. 1/4 cup garlic chives or spring onions. 1/4 cup coarsely chopped peanuts. 1 lime. If it's not in season or you can find it anywhere in the store, you can just simply use lemon. Pepper flakes or cayenne pepper. And for Pad Thai sauce, we need 2.5 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons tamarind paste or puree. This what gives the dish a unique and tangy taste. You can find this in the Asian section of grocery stores, but don't worry if you don't have it. I have listed 3 substitutes for the tamarind paste. So let's start. Prepare all ingredients. Season thinly sliced chicken with 3 finger pinch of salt and pepper and set aside. Coarsely chopped roasted peanuts. Peel and chop garlic. Peel and slice onions. Wash and drain mung bean sprouts. Cut garlic or onion chives into 2 inches long. Slightly beat eggs. Soak dried rice noodles in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not soak for too long because we don't want soggy noodles. Meanwhile, let's make the Pad Thai sauce by mixing fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and tamarind paste. The sauce should be sweet, sour, and a bit salty, leaning towards the sour taste. You can adjust the flavor to your liking. Pat dry tofu before cooking. You can cut them to 1 cm by 2 cm wide. I wanted to crisp the tofu, so I am dredging them with cornstarch, or you can also use flour. I'm cooking it separately, but definitely you can stir fry them before any other ingredients. Let's get back to the noodles. Drain noodles and rinse under cold water. The noodles should be tender like this. Now it's time to fry the tofu. Heat oil in pan and fry them until crispy. Then set aside. Place a wok or a pan over medium heat Add 2 tablespoons of peanut oil or vegetable oil. Make sure to spread the oil. Add garlic and onions. Stir fry until fragrant. Do not burn them. Add chicken. Stir fry until no longer pink in color for about 2 minutes. Once cooked, push them on the side. Add a bit of oil. Then pour slightly beaten eggs. Wait until almost half cooked. Then fold with the chicken. Add rice noodles. And then stir for a minute. Add tofu and half of the bean sprouts. Pour in pad thai sauce. Toss for about 90 seconds until noodles are completely coated with Thai sauce. Add half of the garlic or onion chives and half of the chopped peanuts. Toss them quickly, then turn off. Time for plating the Thai way. Fried noodles and garnishes into 2 plates. Garlic or onion chives on the side. Sprinkle with crushed peanuts. Place raw bean sprouts on the side. Lime or lemon. Then sprinkle with pepper flakes or cayenne pepper. So there we have it, a taste of Thai, our delicious homemade pad Thai. Let's eat! If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!